Hello, St. Peter's supporters. This is Paul Wagner, one of the hosts on the committee members of the St. Pete's Spring Fundraiser. This year we're doing an online event because of the COVID restrictions. Hopefully we'll bring it back to you live next year, but just wanted to give a quick tutorial early here. If you're interested in donating or participating, you'll want to follow the link. It's been shared on the Transfiguration's website, and I'm sure they'll share it on the school's website and Facebook as well. But you go to stpete.givesmart.com. It'll pull up this website here, and this is our avenue to have a fundraiser this year. So instead of just a silent auction, this web tool gives us the opportunity to be able to do some raffles and things like that as well. In this year's event, we're tying a pork chop dinner to it, which will offer tickets if you want to buy them in person at that event as well. So the dates for everything's on there. The website is open now, and we're going to be wrapping this event up right on the April 18th will be the wrap up of it, and the pork chop dinner is on the 11th. So if you want to donate now's the time to participate. Go to the website. It is once again stpete.givesmart.com. Again, there should be links on all the Facebook pages. But once you get on the website, just a little tutorial here. You can click on buy tickets. That gives you tickets to the main raffle. That's where you get a chance to win $1,000, $500, or $250 on that main raffle. Those tickets are only $10 each. All that money goes to the school. All the proceeds do. You got the meal tickets on there with the details. Those are $10 each as well. It's going to be a carry out only. And we'll be there selling raffle tickets for you at that time. On the buy tickets button, you'll also see the sponsorship opportunities, $1,000, $500, $100 level. And then down at the bottom here, if you want to donate any less or more, you've got the freedom to do that. And then you'll also see our sponsors throughout the page right there. So we've got a lot of good sponsors coming in early, and we'll be focusing on them a lot as we go on there. So if you want to participate in the silent auction or the raffle items, go back to that home page, and then you'll click right here where it says view items, and then that'll pop up. It'll say raffle on the top right corner, or it'll say the auction items will be down towards the bottom. So you click into those items. For example, there's a deer mount, and you just register, and you can go ahead and place a bid on those items there. The rest of them will be raffles. So for example, the 50-50 raffle, they'll have a set amount of tickets. Once they're sold out, we'll go ahead and pull the winner of those items, and then we'll put another one up on that board. So you can get in there, participate now. If you want to donate, just message us, put your inquiry in there. There's a place where you can send messages as well. So get in there now. The bidding is open on some of those items, and as we get more donations, we'll be posting them online. And there's another sponsorship you'll see coming through to you as we get more donors in there. But plenty of opportunities to sponsor this event. If you go to some of the higher levels, once again, go over to buy tickets. $1,000 sponsorship gets you a 2x4 for an entire year in the gymnasium. Plus it gets you 50 event raffle tickets. And then the step down's 500, gets you a 2x2 banners, 25 event ticket raffles, which enters you into the cash prizes. And then the $100 a sponsorship is open there. That's going to get you some good exposure. But feel welcome. If you want to give $5, $10, anything helps the cause. All the money goes to St. Peter's School. And just remember, get on stpete.givesmart.com to help us out and support the elementary school in Upper Sandusky, St. Peter's.